How to check mutual friends on Snapchat. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open Snapchat and you click on the chat button. For example, I click on a profile here and I scroll down here. You will not find an option of mutual friends for with this person. So if you click on your profile icon and you scroll down, you'll get an option of my friends and you'll get an option of add friends. Even here it doesn't show that who is a specific friend's mutual friend, right? So currently there is no fix for that, but there is another opinion that I would give that it would help you add mutual friends. Click on add friends, and when you scroll down you'll see under every name it will show, like for example, here there are 10 mutual friends, here there are 20 mutual friends, here there are 30 mutual friends, here there are 40 mutual friends. So the same way, if you find accounts like this, you can click on their account and you can add them, and you will understand that there are mutual friends with that friend. That's the only possible way Snapchat allows that to happen, because Snapchat is majorly aiming for keeping it very private, keeping people's profile private, and that's the only possible way where you can add other people. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.